Hello, my name is Junaid Ahmed. This video is recorded for the ninth experiment in our database systems lab, which is about index and sequences. Index in a Oracle SQL is basically used to improve the performance of the select queries, and they are created on table columns, and it stores all the values of columns under the index segment. Now, this works exactly as the index or the contents page of a book. If you want to go to a chapter quickly, we just go through the index, find the page number, we reach there. Something similar happens here also. Indexes are created for the columns. So if you want to view any specific record, we just have to use this. And this is mainly used for huge databases. And a sequence is a shareable object. It automatically generates a unique number and typically used to create a primary key value if we don't have one. And using this, it increases the efficiency of accessing sequence values in the cache memory. Question one is to create the index on customer ID and customer name of the customer table. So we use the query as create index. Then we just give any name to the index on the table name and then the attribute names. So index is created here using the same query. Next one is a function based index. A function based index is the index created, but there are some function values added to it. And for this function based index, we have to take the lower values for customer name. I mean the lowercase values. So we use create index, then we give a name to it, then we add the customer table, and then we use the lowercase value. First question is to create an index organized table with transaction ID, customer name, and supplier ID. So we create a table, not just like we create another table. The same query has to be used. Then we give attributes as transaction ID with number, customer name with varchar2, supplier ID with number, and primary key has to be given to supplier ID. And then we use organization index, then only it will create an index organized table. And using this query, the table gets created. Fourth question is to drop the function based index. So we use the query drop index, then the index name. And the final question is to create a sequence for order ID of the order table. So we create a sequence here, we give the name to a sequence, and the order IDs are incremented by 1, starts from 100. So we give the increment value as increment by 1, it starts with 100. We give any maximum value, here I have given 999, and we are not creating any cache and we are not using any cycle here. Sequence get created. All these indexes, tables, and sequence that are created are not functional in our case because the database that we use is a very small one, and we won't be able to see the proper effect of indexes. So only the creation and dropping part is displayed in this video. Thank you.